Page 21, the Strawberry Roan. I don't know what a roan is, but whatever it is, we got a strawberry one here. At the top of this page, they're talking about augmentation dots. I very seldom ever hear referred to as augmentation dots, but basically they are, because they augment or lengthen the value of a note. What it is you have a note, could be most any note, and right after the note there's a little dot. For instance, look in Strawberry Roan, in the first line, the third measure over, there's a G in the left hand. It's a half note with a little dot, and it is tied to another half note with a little dot. Well, we call it, in this case, a dotted half note. So whatever the note is, it's a dotted something. It could be a dotted quarter note, dotted eighth note, dotted half note, whatever. That's what we call it. And simply put, the dot means that you lengthen the note half the value of the note. The dot, we say, gets half the value of the note. So in this piece, it's in 3/4 time. A half note would get 2 counts. Therefore, the dot would get 1 count, because that's half of 2. And so the half note would be 2 counts, but a dotted half note then gets 3 counts. Doesn't matter what the note is. All the dots work that way in this on dotted notes. Well, it comes in handy here because of 3/4 time we have 3 beats to a measure. And if you have a dotted half note that gets 3 counts, then the dotted half note just takes up the whole measure. It's really handy. Well, we have 2 dotted half notes tied together, so it's 6 counts total, right? You're going to play the first one. It's going to hold it down for a full 6 counts. And that's the way these work. It's not difficult. Don't make it hard. It's just not. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and that's really it. Having done all that, let's try this out, because there really isn't anything new here. You've had ties, you've had slurs, you've had these notes, and this is in middle C position again, just like the last video. Since it's in 3/4 time, I'm just going to give us 3 counts. So put your hands in middle C position, and here we go. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tie, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tie, 2. Tie, 2, 3, off.